Hey guys, this is Justin, Amanda, and Madison from Barrettos on the Loose. In this video, we're going to show you an awesome upgrade that we just had done on our 2022 Winnebago Revel. Check it out, baby.
We love our van, but one major flaw is this rear bench seat, which is not at all comfortable, but most importantly, not very safe.
Here's the rear bench seat. It has two seat belts, one right by the window. That's where Madison's car seat goes. It has a lap belt right here. That's where Amanda sits. There's two cushions. These cushions sit on top of a box. As you can see, it's very small and it doesn't really accommodate car seats very well. So if you look in your vehicle, in the rear seat, usually there's two anchors for your car seat. The Revel didn't come with it, so I had to install two anchors.
We travel with our daughter Madison, who's almost 2.5 years old. As you can see, this bench seat is just two cushions placed on top of each other, and this cushion is held back with a little clip, so not very safe. Underneath this bottom cushion is literally a box made to house the plumbing, heater, electrical, and Winnebago just placed this cushion right on top. So on long road trips, I'll actually sit back here with Madison, and as you can see, I'm hanging off the side, and I'm only 5'1", and not to mention I only have a lap seat belt. I don't have a shoulder seat belt, and my weight brings her car seat down, so that's why we have a blanket underneath to kind of prop her up so she's a little more level. Madison's car seat sits on top of these two cushions, and Justin actually installed two anchors against this wall down here so that we could latch Madison's car seat in to be as safe as we possibly could. This seat belt back here is a 3-point seat belt. It's a shoulder belt, but it doesn't lock and it does not reach to safely, latch Madison's car seat in. When it does come time to forward face Madison, however, we can't really do that safely. There is a latch for the top of her headrest, and there's no headrest up here, there's no anchor up here, so she would not be safely forward facing. So we definitely need a solution. As parents, our biggest concern is the safety of our children, our precious cargo. And the reality is this bench seat right here is just not very safe. Now, we plan on growing our family in the near future, so the need for an upgraded seat has arose, and it's imperative that we get an upgraded seat that can safely and securely accommodate two car seats. Now, we live in California, and we've been researching around for companies that can do the seat upgrade, and we've been rejected. We've had zero luck finding any companies who will help us because of the simple fact that all of that plumbing, electrical, and heater is located underneath the seat. They either have no experience rerouting it, or they just don't want the liability. Great news! We're so excited because we found a company based out of Colorado called Overland Design-Build, who is a van upfitter and parts manufacturer who specialize in Winnebago Revels and other sprinters. So they are going to do the seat upgrade for us and reroute all of the plumbing and wiring underneath the seat, and we're super excited. However, because we're in California and they're in Colorado, and it's not that easy to get time off of work, we're actually going to be shipping our van to Colorado. So we've been in contact with Eric, the owner, and he is arranging the transportation for us. So come along and let's show you the process. Hey guys, our van is back with its newly upgraded seat, so let's go check it out. So the seat is so much more comfortable, luxurious, beautiful, and I can sit here comfortably. and I'm not hanging over the edge like I was previously. Take a look. Did I forget to mention I was pregnant? Well, we're expecting baby girl number 2. See, not hanging over the edge. And I have a shoulder belt now. So previously, only that side had the shoulder belt. So now I have a shoulder belt and I can buckle up. I have an armrest, so that's also a plus. So this is underneath the seat. They rerouted the plumbing, moved the timberline tank, moved and secured the mixer, upgraded the plastic fittings to brass. So as you can see, it's just so much cleaner. So down below is the base for the previous table that went here. Now we were never able to actually use the table because our daughter's car seat blocked that space. So Overland Design-Build installed a little leg down here so that we can add a Lagun mount and a table, and now we can actually eat here. So that is super exciting. So now let's install the car seats. Here are the ISOFIX anchors. There are 2 on each side, so you can put 2 car seats. Behind the seat back, there is also a tether on each side of the seat, so you can latch a forward-facing car seat. So we have both of our car seats installed, and using the ISOFIX anchors, we were able to securely latch the car seat. So that is nice and tight. So this is 2 car seats. So as you can see, we're very happy with our new seat. Even having to ship our van all the way to Colorado from California, it was totally worth it. Eric and his team are detailed and meticulous and so friendly. They sent us pictures and did video calls and kept us in the loop every step of the way. So the turnaround time took about 2 weeks to install our seat, reroute the plumbing, and they did a few other upgrades for us. We have the 40-gallon extended range fuel tank now, the Van Compass suspension upgrade, as well as a side ladder. So all of those upgrades took 2 weeks for them to complete, so super quick. We recommend a seat as your #1 upgrade if you're gonna do anything to your van, especially if you have little ones, because the peace of mind that this provides is priceless. So we cannot recommend Overland Design-Build enough. Eric and his team are wonderful. Thank you guys so much, and thank you guys for watching.
I love my new seat.